Hi everyone, welcome back. I have my mom here again today and we're going to be cooking Korean food again. And today on the menu we have pajeon. Mom, what's pajeon?
Pajeon is a Korean vegetable pancake.
And what are the ingredients?
You can use this, any seasonal veggie. But today we have onion, zucchini, either we can use carrots and red cabbage and mushroom and red pepper and Korean chive.
So you can pretty much use whatever vegetables you have on hand, and traditionally you use white flour for this recipe, but we want to make it a little bit healthier and a little bit more friendly for anyone who might have any kind of allergy or intolerance to anything. So today we're using whole grain oat flour, and it is gluten-free, and we're gonna get started. So now you have to make sure to loosen up the edges so that it's not sticking to the pan, and you are soon ready to flip. Okay, Mom, flip. Woo! Leaving it to the pro. Now, after you flip, you press it down to make sure that everything cooks evenly and sticks together. So while my mom is chopping up chives and bell peppers to put into the sauce, I'm going to let you guys know the sauce is super easy to make. All you do is take some liquid amino instead of soy sauce and mix it with some rice vinegar. Is it 1-to-1?
Yeah.
A 1-to-1 ratio, so however much you want. This is about 1 tablespoon of each, and into this mixture, we're gonna put in the chives, the bell pepper, and also some sesame. Now we're ready to plate it. Look at all those beautiful colors, and then we got our sauce on the side. So much yumminess going on right now. And now it's time to eat. So we can rip it up, you can cut it into like little pizza slices, whichever way you want. Just take a little bit, dip it in the sauce. Cheers. Cheers. It's really delicious. You get all the different textures of all the vegetables. It's a little bit crunchy on the outside and kind of like gooey and soft on the inside. And the sauce is really great. If you've never tried liquid aminos, I really recommend it as an alternative to soy sauce. And it was such an easy, delicious meal. I hope you try it and give it a thumbs up.